Me and I'm not quite me meka na meka. Na kofa we yaba. If I kept quiet, this wouldn't have happened. Into me and a manui akoka. But I don't regret it.
Mr. Adoma, I don't like what you are doing. Kindly stop what you are doing now.
Dear Kofi Adoma, I am not here to defend him. Mean defending Kofi Adoma da. Me say dear Kofi Adoma cannot. There are more to it, and if they can, so much.
I will say I'm going to eba notice GTV so. But more than say we subscribe button so no me notification icon so e dey amaye.
Bia akwaba Kofi Adoma wani ne nsem beto dwa efa ni birthday na o kan ye no de aye ni wife miracle no ebeye he o social media no so ma nipa bebre aka ho asem a ebi mokra eka se ne no e low self esteem no ni nyina Kofi Adoma abeka ho asem na akoso amankofo guso eka ho asem enei Kofi ekire se ne bampo efre na ne ba no obetwe exams o friend no na say wo di ya o kakra no ma bi ekoso social media ama wache ne ba no say saa ne tie enu nti na won fa ne nkire no ana nti na won fa ne yere nkire no saa ne tie eno so de ye eni kwan say o show off ma ne o yere ni nyina na ho hia adwuma no na yeso boy na saa nsem we ya so ne yere time ana Kofi live ne yere friend no o ka chen say onyai ono na de ne ho e na waka ne nsem ono ne ye no enha no ba kokra nti ohun di nti Kofi ese Kofi ba live na obeye live na o cheche nsem ehun enhia asem na o kan na enye atwam awie nti ohun di nti ankofo kan ese oba be ka bi nti sa na meka se ese Kofi etwa so se de be ya on sa anko cheche nsem ehun hia ye hia sa no man se di hia pa za ga na be koso na yetimi sika ba ebotom eno na ehia ye Avraham moshi ono so akasa o chese ga na development ye here development obi ho asem ba ene ye ka ho asem ye enso ye kofa development ba no de ye comment ye ka ho asem kura nipa ye be ka ho asem ye kakra bi ono so aka ho asem ye nko hwe Kofi Adoma emra ye ba ye beto aso
misu anamenom no ye twisi nchen. So in my quest, I am not saying Fanta is wrong. Fanta menka say nye, Sprite menka say nye, menom Fanta because na me hia Fanta. Me nom Fanta wie me hu se enum ye ne bekum sukom. Me konum Coke. Me nom Coke no. I am personifying me ye I'm not me ni obi atem I'm not denigrating anybody so be a Fanta no be a Coke. But I'm telling you say Fanta ye, Coke ye, Sprite all of them ye. They look like water but they are not water. So I twisted all those ones. Finally everything is settled. I get back to the water I took and I decide, say, this is me and this is my truth. This is the water that has kept me all this while. With me TATM, and so still, no appear a fina guinchain. No what tia baby go educrum, no masia sanum. No masia TATM across. No Jeffin or na sia cross me, ever foam quine so corner ho. Na masia akoto na masia sanom na manom nsuo ya na finally metna se nsuo ya ade o se de matietie mu pa cross over and over and over egu so ema me su kom no eko meda nsuo ya se na mayi nsuo ya ye me hunu mfom so amaye ewo. It doesn't mean say mani je se na metietie nsuo no mu no. I have never said that. Mrs. Miracle Adoma has been my wife since after utie narration ewo Angel FM me kan ye sa bra na me ne na wo abofra na di mfie mienu ene bosome me I'm not too good in dates but o hwe abosome be miensa enan ho ena oba afoforo ba makwan oba no one thing led to the other ene ye fire ho ye die. Nyinsen pie mu no. The first thing I can say, oh, one time there, me my boys that because I can oh, me know that once pe. It's like no, me know nanyem. That time I don't know where I got the courage. And I'm a miracle susu ho. Asem o kan ye ne say, me Miracle Adoma. me ye only daughter na senka me father e wo bi kan me ho ana me mother wo bi kan me ho anka wo be happy say me wa anuanom e bia na wo ba me ne ne wei will be your only child so obi aba na o se woni wo nyema don't say anything me bai benya nua e woni mu enti do the right thing ko hu na busuafo na koda wo ho adi na amamre kwan so de esa wo ye bia na ye I did that on the mom that guidance e chi na o che me say ne nana e na de say futu ne ma no. She has done that. As I said, I won't mention names because enkra wom one hear a story ni bi wo ho a e na me miamia so because obeka no be wie no na waja how e de ama obi enkra ma wo mo I do what I have to do as a father. There are times you meet obi akwantu obeka kire say ene menyem keke na menwo. It happens. I am not saying I am proud of what I went through. Many miracle there was a gap because the family is saying Debbie. And it is not as if I took her through emotional abuse as some are saying. She's a very strong woman, very beautiful one as such. Me mama ni hunu, me mpese be na mani hunu. Enti yedi nkomo, and we say, Ghana ha. Asemwa bano. Ni akofa wo maame no papa ene wo yire ne wabusuafo mfo ni dia beto social media na wo asem ne fa ho ye gya wo ne ye di wo mo atem enti nya abotre kakra ye de ho te ye na adru mpempenso yi Ghana wo ye ade na de kire a ye twemba fom so we agreed on principle enye se ne ho nye fe ne ho efe papa enye se o low self esteem ne kuku edu wo hia fani face abisa no sa abra called depressed state abra na issue yaba what happened between him and Mrs. Miracle Adoma on we aduane koma funny face e wo fie on funny face etna se bon komo kire no masa this is what has happened do this calm down on ne kasa which you can ask funny face that is just one name I will mention. You can find out from friends around me. You can find out from Machiba Collins. You can find out from Miniaba Susie. Miami, you can find out from them. She's a wonderful woman. I will praise her. Because Ebia no wachina to me. Ebia na mawu wachina. Let me tell you something. Yes, there are some of you who knew, say, mene wo baby eti. I didn't deny the first day. Because Miracle is aware. And some of it is not as if me the hitting on the screen. She knew, she knows about them. Miracle knows you. She knows about. I've not hidden anything from her. There was a time, you see, when you're careful, when you get emotional, I was advised about this video. Say, when you're careful, so I will not be carried away. When I'm carried away, I might say a lot of things. There has been a time. Yankomo DNA social media ni adia. I have the audios and the videos. If this thing progresses to that point, I will show videos, I will play audios, I will go to that extent. But now I feel it is not time to go to that extent. Obani Frebroche by ne didn't come out. Oh, many Jimmy home, you didn't come out by your boys. Your kosher baby. A year, dear baby. Ye ade ache me wo fie sana menya WhatsApp message menya message na o se Kofi record e na me se an o se oh me pe wasem pa wa ya ade bi minim se wonnim enti ma be grojo enti na ma hwehwe o number sa na me se ade asema o se unu moba asumesi me se an o se o ya me yire me se Jesus Ose Kofi aninti na me frɛ wo no na ebia wonye na ebia waka nsɛm foforo a kyerɛ ma me send audio bi no send me ɔne ɔba no audio abra ɔba na ba Ghana ɔba na asɛm ɔkan ne sɛ o mekɔ Provita mekɔ ha wo mo atena mfie bebre o mo nya wo enti wagye bema no ho sika se oba Ghana no waba abeye saa artificial we bi menim se ebiana na dwen se bema no ntimi nye we ntimbi ame na obeyisu I didn't know bema no send me pictures na me pa na chew se minua menim many oba ne kasa wo phone so bi wa anadwo ono nko a so there is no clue and I wouldn't ono so I can't share me so ente sa nkomo a me di ofori one eye me dance ni. We've been through a lot. We've been through it. I am not proud. I was at 40. I had to.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Adoma.
Because.
Mr. Adoma. Hello, Mr. Adoma.
What's the
Hello. Hello.
If you are cheating.
Hello.
At least you should have used condom to protect.
Hello, Mr. Adoma.
Ivy.
Mr. Adoma. I don't like what you are doing. Kindly stop what you are doing now. Babe. Baby, please stop what you say. The I am not complaining. So please. Baby, I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. I am not. So stop explaining. Stop explaining. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Please. Please. Mr. Kindly end it. Mr. Yeah, Mr. I haven't complained. Me can't say. Because Christo that's what was so on see from Untimin Koko, Unimuko, Kaukoma, Honda. They are crying woman new woman. So please end the life. And let everybody say whatever they want to say. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. If you trust me, part show. With the crystal power show. Trust. Please, kindly step down. Me slow. Me part show pa. Me slow. Me slow. Me that say. Me him say you are so kasama me. But me no me complaining here. So don't say nothing. Allow them. We are all human beings and we have conscience. And so please, don't say anything again for the sake of our children. Not only me. Any more honey na. Ye manu niaye. Mr. Into the encourage. Momonka. Ba Christo nti. No crash. Ebeda baby eda. Christo nti. So don't say anything. Whether I'm the first wife, whether I'm the last wife, whether I'm the seventh wife, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is there was a wife. It's in patrol so don't respond to anybody, Miss Slow. So be a casem and I'll be a yow. Now yeah we are. Fashion would dream say this too shall pass. I beg you. I just insist I mean prompt to say oh life. Many anje who cry. So please, I am begging you in the name of God. Have mercy and step down. Please. Please.
I hear. How's that for? It is true, I just have to. But I say, brother, don't explain yourself to anyone. If I want to explain, I will give you pictures. I will give you videos. I'll give you whatever evidence you need. But as I said, wait me I dimatem, wait me I hear any video about me, you can say, but just get the facts right. Get the facts right. If you may say, Anya, we also do stories that people are not happy. They contact us, we apologize or we take down or we give them the opportunity to. And see, but that woman, I think Kamai na kabum to appreciate her.
No, any akwakuti abano Avraham Moshe onzo akasa pa wo se mema de tuo ene no ma de mema pe duwe nya wanwa omo kasa bebre no bekom no no ne kunu kura de kyese and ma na omo kasa no bekom no ne kunu de oye no na chen mema no so na se bi muso de omo ye na chen na we obi agba confess ya ono na pe na obe confess Ghana MP development this is sebi nsem hunu se ya yanko na yenkoti Avraham be moshi emra
Dear na Kofi Adoma ye, I am not here to defend him. Mean defending Kofi Adoma da. I am not here to me man say family hu. Me a man for talk na me gina meko. Kofi Adoma wunni mu no, on fa na dan for da. On can me say the Kofi Adoma can there are more to it and the can sama kire mo ne. Na mu afi na mo pese mo ba social media. Mo pese mo ba TikTok, mo pese mo ba YouTube, mo pese mo ba Facebook. Mo ye very very careful with friends. Oh yeah, bema. Hwe hu ye. Ye dey on social media. Ye e man kakra bi e na ye ne ye ko chat wo. E man dodo na be se ye mpe. E man dodo amanfo yiri nyina be se ye mpe. Amanfo yiri because e man no mo amu ni oba bi ape obi a owodin obi a ye famous. There is always an exception to the rule. Assembly of better no minia Kofi Adoma asemu aba Avraham bin Moshe asemu aba rebi o say Zion Felix e no ne mami enu na wo Zion Felix pe ni ba mo ne mami enu awo e mami ensa awo huh? In the Muslim community Tommy Wuredu, thanks for the correction. Tommy Wuredu. In the Muslim community video Saudi Arabia video only for begin. Mo mugu zongo enye mo na mudi guys no. Ebere konti be cancel. Christopher I saw them enye mo na mudi parasters no. Asofo ne atoli pay for the chat. Enye mo na mudi guys no. Enye mo na mudi amafo ye. Ba se wo bia semba. Se de mu je nipa no. Ene me ni Kofi Adoma ka se nyumbre. Mu ye evil people. Adwemponi wo mtirim. Seven mpediasa. Sister kwasi ampanyi bi on the UK. O kan ma se menfi no. Kwahwe nyumbre. We waste be ye 3 hours on discussing Kofi Adoma issue. Kofi Adoma body be na waye. Onu Kofi Adoma na oba o pese o ware no. The past 19 to 20 years ago. Amanie atete sebi mpediasa enkwasi asam a wono Kofi Adoma we di e de akere wo ba no na Kofi Adoma nkasa confess Kofi Adoma nkasa me ni wo ba tonight me di nkwasi asam me ye we but still oba ni nya abotere nti enne me celebrate oba no boni me no why why eneni who doesn't have cockroaches in the cupboard mo hwe mi na mbahwe video kosi de wi ase besai mo hwe video na kosi ekiri bebe nyina wan eno wo se wonye bibi a de mpai bo nyina na se ma sa asem ni mpia bonten enti obi nya akukuduro no aba abonten se me ne me yire tonight atete amane wo hawa me de oba ne fam no eni a you have to applaud that person Yohana na do kwa kufuado na do ene se wa broni asembai o te se be kebi there be me pra me ni nuanom freedom fighters kra e kontokwa se na nado ne personal life e fix Ghana se wa broni issue e koduro he bema bia pema nti de bia me ka se every man is a womanizer the good ones are not caught bema bia pema nature e programming ye say ye chensi mo ye mpemo ti ye wo age a ba me duru a na o start o ye me ti o sisi a me o 40 me ko this menya 42 won adwempa ni adwembone ani mitimunti won say me look like 22 23 wo ya ka say bo me age a ya ka say bia mo 30 enyem na ma ye dede a me hu say Ghana for ye wicked. They will go back to your past. Bring something that doesn't concern anybody to disgrace you. And until I may start videos no me mma dodo a me wo nyina me de betu dwa me mma ye 9 me ne mma 4 and awo beautiful fantastic ladies Miami Mansa Francesca ene Amma ena me ne omo wo mma me ti we me wo girls mo sweet babes me girls me dey cry on live omo comment my sweet babes me girls ya me wo no me na mahwem dia be pe ne be twu su ba ko because man ne bu ade asu bu a e wo se wo sesa dodo na dodo no o yes selection saa ne ye no Jesus ekura ka so be wale anka Jesus be yes selection Prophet Muhammad peace be unto him or wale is 11 or 13 on wo de ne ho won't be from back you say no en fa wo ho ya man Ghana na kuro na say no uye program about Ghana about the development of Ghana uye Ghana for e ma uye views so da ye ko fo obi asamba na egusu chabam me say Ghana for money you don't need development all you need is the downfall of people I don't say boss stop this no me ya nya sa o mi video asi o oba na topic am treat no mpa free so na koda ote oba mi program so because enye wunti na metia TikTok no enipa 293 98 na enye sa wa ha do you know what Kofi Adoma is going through this right now ti abia be china be say Kofi Adoma yere na committee suicide we ku ne ho a eni eti na Kofi Adoma no person be show ne yere nanim Kofi Adoma for the past also the oba mo hwe any TikTok for no Facebook for mo hwe Kofi Adoma twa ne yere picture pe no the oba nanim adoje edi enti a Kofi Adoma ye media person on him how evil Ghanaians are on him say the Ghana for you wicked as a Ghana for enya wo ba we ya omo fa ne ho nche no eni hwe obi ne yere picture say the twa picture who say Kofi Adoma the oba ne doje if you don't know the issue don't come and tell you boss hey stop that then Jimmy Sadi egu kro anu ni pa hwe asem ko na na do kan Kofi Adoma me born the pressure so fix Ghana na do kan Kofi Adoma be di ni twa na do kan Kofi Adoma anya president yanko nya kandi na se wa broni me man kabi me ka tell na se mu yai then ma bia pema no ba bia so e pani petitiru dim kwasi asam do de bia ye pani kwasi and we are so evil sir. Okay, friend, Matiwase. Ba mo type ya. Mo typing here. Matiwase. But abotre Matiwase, Fred. Matiwase. I feel why explaining. Why? Kofi here na kase we yeah because there are a lot to the issue. Kofi Adoma kase wo kire mu a. Ense bebreba. Man go UK ni US no. Munya celebrate na me do mo hwehwe omo no. Nancy me ba TikTok Nancy ya. They get money. They get money in your inbox. Oh yeah, you know some boy. You could be back up king. No, me the oba be could be many more me. Me ma tra put all, but would the yemi ni a me ma chance. Muntie. They be tie, ya ba ya, and me Kofi Adoma Ghana for pen abona say Kofi Adoma be boy say we amamata or boy system assistant what on system yare eja nipa ko hospital so a eyo owuo ne nkwa hwe de Ghana for the year Kofi Adoma say Kofi Adoma ku sister no dia kwa rituals metie ya me de polina noche ye de not play mu when ya try anya visa e dia ma no 5 years visa onye mebusuani me ni polina wo ba bia menjene one city menjene capre Paulina Madam Grumenti of US 5 years visa blogger ben ashe so they sabe yes you know say Paulina operation be successful obi kura bompa ye say bibi ntu abai wano no fa ye be video say me kuno we ye nipa bonefo sanka oba bi mpo eno oba na ba bonten say Me you will be here Kofi Adoma ne me ada. We have the right to question our brother. But you are on the past life. You can't afford to make all the mistakes in the world before you learn. Sometimes it is good to make mistakes so that people will learn from it. Sometimes you see mistakes, you grab it, make the mistake, and learn from it. Kofi on one the past life, and all celebrating a year and a walk. OBNT, thank you. I am brave factory. I engineer how. I answer some kwa. That may be a peche. That may be a peche. Find them pe. We are them and peche. We are passing opinion. Oh, be a peche because we were created to love women. So now we are more yes saying that Christopher Lincoln for more. Could you Kofi Adoma try a video or explain or no only follow what said in attempt? Pastor gift test no mobile no drop a gift box why ma grab ma drop gift box na you made the night gift test no me da mo ase mo grab na mo follow mo yentie Kofi Adoma say mo be kan ya Ghana for pen abona say me area ba say thanks common sensical Charlie gift test me da mo ase why me ma say mo fa me hu me obi ase me de me ko ma nipa no dia
in fact bro 8 me fa no be 19 years ni and you want to talk some? No problem, I will let you talk some. And ne papa eba drobo. No, this is something people don't know, and sometimes I need to. Don't need to know. No. Let me mamenka at least ebeboa. Yes. I check na me ton. In fact, me we secondary school. Me try pictures kakra. Me adwuma o com center kakra. And I'm papa, me nene kasa sisi o ma miskana fe me shas. In fact, hona misua Sante kasa. Me shase ton fos. Na me ka bono. Na ufri brekum ebedru kumase na o ka bono no a ehunu se ufri achi. Nti bill no price no ebekọ soro. Nti esa ofo so ka Sante se be ya you belong. Ye hu se o ufri outside na eba. Nti that is when me shase asua Sante kasa ene me dia Sante kasa ye adwuma. Na bono ena meka. Me ton broni wawu e wodrobo na posifo bi aba ho se na operation na omo yo whatever enti posi ni ba ko siye na ose opekube kube na oto no ba bia no obenya bi no guy na se aka last one na obi nso to ba me hwe no me hu se no oyo obi a butu se opekube no pa na bisa ne se o ma me nto bi wa hamre no se o na ne twi nya papa ka brofo na fe ka ne twi ne broken na me koy na me koto kube na me de bre no ti me de bre no na o say aha na me te na me say o da bi brekum na o say de me ye na ye ne fe o ye penny pa se no yi ni ID card na o de mame na o say na aha na mpese me wo na me say o pese me to am school so na o say enti na me enti ne tintini tietie mu no o mame ne card na o free ho bank kan ti ye hyase eye ayonko of frame ebi wo ho anu wasendi misika me papa etie me na ebi ane na obehu because ebi wo ho a ya ma misika no mesen akwaji bi wo no nso ho bad boy ntina mbisa na se na me yakora bone ana bi wa na me de atonkyinam ne tea bread na me de ahyem na ma enti through that I'm telling something me ne miracle papa be yes in fact of farm se ne ba training college days no send me sika no I will say it like obuame farm send ba those days training college me kai mate ba kwa friend be di akon wotema enti na me man kran da e na o ka say o ba tema ne papa ho na me see me baby no say deeper life fo ba unya TV bi anhwe na me see those days na deeper life on TV e na me ne ba e na e ko shepon nti baby a ehye na me say actually na ha say unhwe TV ba unya computer ye TV card bi wo ho outumi chem mutumi ahwe TV ni bi no say oh yeah nti when me kai yes ma bedun kran na me mfre
you know officer
miracle papa officers that time there sana me nyanhia ayikwa e na me frɛ no say oh wa bedun kran there e na obehia me nti through that e na me di hu ne ba miracle enti like obi a oboa wo school mu or hwe wo ne ade me hu na susu mo there be yeah in fact the we and say apostle nyensen pie no
Debi buy
so it's been that far.
Wow.
And the father felt betrayed. Say obia me boao me hear all these things for you, and then I bring you close, and then my only daughter ne baba ko pe, my only daughter, you come and put her this way. That was the statement. And ne will ye dupa me come. Oh yes, dear me ye ne dear man ye, but a chain no obeti masi. There be a yeah. But the making no, you want me to go step by step? Yeah. Oh, there be that time there condom. I said, man, what should that plan? What should that plan? Say, oh, yeah, and out of condom. What should that plan? Say, oh, yeah, and out of condom. Now, emergency, there is to condom. Emergency and to condom. And see, echo ye, one yem. My yema from the bia. Yes, it da. And one day, and menini di nkomo say chale this is adi we dey akọ still me dey oh I say me father enya aka say no or yes very strong willed person or ka say no you know. So I was advised say obi a wonyem for you yes akora no enye yem pene ma wo no whatever, but find a way and go and do something traditionally. Enti menene nana edi nkomo. And an advice say it is the right thing because debi akrano ebehwehwe papa, whatever the case is, whether say ebekwa kosi sense ebekwa kosi sense, the child will look for the father. Now me say no, apart from just introducing myself, no me person me sign no or directly me to miracle uncle na me ko hu no and no kire me minto we na me toy na me de koy, and I went to do that. At that time, a woman, a fade still, no, honor can I say a pemiachimino because a do baby no still me many a brick diggy. And a papa no society man no pa me kokai and uhu a juma na oye officers is the only child unto me and conquer yenisa until na meche wo yabam, so I had to flee kakra. The no kwateye
bibi ni penny ngwase ni wie bi won adwumam obi ye na adwuma o won yere wenyu obo person ne bobra oba na yade for the past 19 years we din kwase asem a kire wo bai o de masem na wo won chen. That is why every day me bober kisu mami abaso mami me ne won koda ba ko 6 me o hiri bi ache ma asase papers ne da ha e mami dia one ne mba ne dia me bibia me wo bia ona me de kire because that woman was an amazing woman. Obia na me ne kwa kwatena ha Kofi Adoma story yes similar to mine. Yes similar to me mame. Onim kwasi asem a me wie mesa to aso. Onim kwasi asem me di kire bergi to mame. Kwasi asem pa I was young. Na me sha me wale 22 23 mu. Ti na me mado so no. Ta do so ma se ma fa Bible nti. Me mpese me nante basa nti na me wu bepere no. Na ekire na me nya experience. Me nia we take time a wo ware a wo bebo adwaman se wo nya ware. Wo de mo ntie futuo. Mo de obi so camera no o kan the personal life a enye din na ntie na wo de jubilate wo ti se nimguase ato obi a enye din na ntie na nhwehwe wanam yie me say we are here to learn, we are here to make mistakes and learn, but you can't afford to make all the mistakes in life before you learn. Sometimes you learn from others.